What is afterimage? Have you ever looked at a bright color and then turned away, only to see a different color lingering in your vision? This phenomenon is known as an afterimage. It is a fascinating aspect of how our eyes and brain work together to process color and light. Afterimages occur when the photoreceptors in our retina continue to respond for a brief moment after we stop looking at a color or image. There are two main types of afterimages: negative afterimages and positive afterimages. Negative afterimages show colors that are complementary to the original color. For instance, if you stare at a red object for a while and then look at a white wall, you might see a greenish afterimage. This happens because the retinal cells that detect red become less sensitive, making your brain perceive the opposite color when the red stimulus is gone. On the other hand, positive afterimages retain the same colors as the original image but appear fainter. You might notice this effect when you close your eyes after looking at a bright light. In the context of color theory and fashion education, afterimages are closely linked to the idea of complementary colors. These are pairs of colors that, when mixed, cancel each other out, resulting in a neutral color like white or black. The afterimage effect beautifully illustrates this relationship, as the color you see after looking away is the complement of the original color. Understanding afterimages has had a significant impact on art and design throughout history. For example, in the op art movement, artists used color contrasts and optical illusions to create dynamic visual effects. Designers and stylists can apply knowledge of afterimages to create striking contrasts in their fashion collections. This can enhance the visual impact of garments and accessories, making them more memorable. When selecting color combinations for clothing or branding, being aware of afterimages can help engage viewers effectively. It is essential to consider how prolonged exposure to certain colors can affect visual comfort and perception. This knowledge is particularly useful when designing wearable art or fashion presentations. In summary, afterimages are a brief visual effect caused by the eye's adaptation to color stimuli. This phenomenon reveals the complementary nature of colors and has relevance in designer brand strategies, historical art trends, and modern fashion styling. Understanding afterimages can play a key role in creating visually appealing and impactful designs.